In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on startup. If Teams keeps launching automatically every time you turn on your computer, this quick setting change can help make your startup experience cleaner and less distracting. The good news is that you can turn this off directly from inside Microsoft Teams, and it only takes a moment. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the settings without any issues. Once you're inside Teams, look toward the top right corner of the window. There you'll find the More Options icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. After the Settings window opens, you should automatically land on the General section. If you don't, just use the panel on the left side and click General manually. This is where Teams keeps many of its basic app preferences, including the startup behavior. Near the top of the General page, look for the System section. In this area, you'll see an option labeled Auto Start Teams. If the box next to it is checked, that means Teams is currently set to open automatically whenever your computer starts up. To stop that from happening, simply uncheck the box. Once you remove that check mark, the setting is updated and Teams should no longer launch on startup. There's usually no need to save manually, so the change takes effect right away. That means the next time you restart your computer, Teams should stay closed until you decide to open it yourself. This is a useful adjustment if you want fewer apps running in the background when your device starts, or if you just prefer to open Teams only when you actually need it. It can also help reduce clutter on startup and make your desktop feel a bit more organized. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Microsoft Teams Auto Start from the app settings. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can return to the same General and System area and check the box again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly manage your Teams startup settings with confidence.